You can outsource a simple YouTube channel like this that is getting tens of millions of views every single month. Not only are they killing it and making hundreds of dollars every single day in YouTube ad revenue, they are also driving tons of traffic to various different Amazon affiliate offers, which is generating them well over $1,800 a day just from YouTube views on the Amazon affiliate program. You don't need to put a lot of effort into this at all. All of your content is outsourced. You don't need to record anything yourself. You don't need to be in front of a camera. You don't even need to speak. And you can build a huge, massive two-stream income business just like that in the first couple of days and weeks. And I'm gonna show you 2 bonus tools to shortcut this entire process. Guys, this is gonna be a banger. You really don't wanna miss this one. Let's get into it. Griffith over here asks, is there any simple method for me using my mobile phone? I'm from Solomon Islands, the Pacific Ocean. Griffith, this is going to be for you. Firstly, because the Amazon Affiliates program is accessible on the mobile device. You can log into the Amazon Affiliates program and access any affiliate link to any product off your phone anytime. And then there's the YouTube app where you can post and manage your YouTube channel on the go wherever you are, as long as you have an internet connection. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. But before we get started, I've revamped and relaunched my entire Drop Servicing University program. So over here, I've got an entire 7-minute free training for you guys. If you want to take a look at how to sell rare high income skills and services without actually doing that work yourself and scale to over $200,000 per year like I did in my first 2 years, I've created an entire program, mentoring you with a one-on-one video program and basically me holding your hand through the entire process, building your successful drop servicing store for you. As you can see over here, there's a couple of people that have placed recent orders today. This is becoming quite a popular program. A lot of people are getting success from it. So you can go over to the first link in the description if you want to check this out. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? My name is Jay, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach and mentor that teaches you how to make money online and that documents my journey on my daily YouTube channel where I'm posting videos every single day on how I make money online and how you can replicate that, follow my progress and success so that hopefully you can make money online yourself as well. And just quickly before we get started, I wanted to announce that I'm going to be doing 2 giveaways in this video. I'm going to be giving $20 away to 2 of you, not 1 of you, 2 of you. So if you can count how many times I say the word PUBG, that's PUBG, P-U-B-G in this video, comment down below, make sure you left a like and subscribe. You got to do all 3. I will choose 2 people who got it right in the lucky comments and announce both those giveaway winners in tomorrow's video. So make sure to watch this video throughout, count how many times I say the word PUBG from beginning to end, and you can win that. And it's honestly super easy. You have nothing to worry about. Just make sure to keep watching with me so that you can see exactly how to set this up, as this is a very important step-by-step process. I'm going to show you a tool that will generate high click-through thumbnails and a tool where you can get amazing channel art at the click of a button and that will generate it for you, so you don't need any fancy design or Photoshop degree to design any of these tools or these Photoshop thumbnails and banner. I'm going to show you how to do it for free at the click of a button. So over here on this YouTube channel is a perfect example that is reviewing simple gadgets. And take a look at this. As you can see, they are using YouTube Shorts. These videos are 59 seconds, 58 seconds, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, etc. So these are all YouTube Shorts that are getting millions of views. Take a look at this video over here that has gotten 1.5 million views in the first 2 months. That is crazy, crazy virality. If I click on their video and open it in a new tab, not only are they making money on ad revenue, as you can see, this simple little 1-minute video has been monetized. There's currently an ad running on it. So you do make money on YouTube ads off YouTube Shorts. So if I click on show more, you can see over here, all right, they're not really promoting any products over here. But if I come back to one of these videos, for example, the smart gadget video, if I click on show more, you can see over here they have all the Amazon product links. Now they've been making thousands of dollars every single day. Remember, because this video has got 91 million views, they have got thousands of dollars and millions of clicks on these various different links. So the first thing that we need is we need a platform to go and find our content. Now the amazing thing about these channels over here that are posting these gadget videos, they're not recording the content themselves. This is not even their content. What they're doing is they are outsourcing this content through TikTok, but giving the creators credit. because YouTube likes that if you give the creators credit in the description, they will monetize you. So you can come over to tiktok.com and just go and search for gadget pages on TikTok and go and look for simple gadget content. So we can go have a look at Gadget Diary, Gadget Tech, Gadget Stars, and Gadget CDMA. Open up some of these TikToks over here. So here you can see, for example, surf 30-minute 100% charge, the new Nokia phone. And what you want to go and do is you want to go and download some of these videos that have proven to go viral. So for example, this TikTok video here with 1.3 million views that teaches you how to fix the PUBG lag, you can go and use this as a TikTok video and blow up to get traffic to your Amazon affiliate links and to grow your YouTube channel and make ad revenue off of that. So we're going to click on this over here. Let's just pause this. We're going to copy the link from this TikTok and we're going to come over to Google and search TikTok download without watermark, because we don't want this TikTok watermark downloaded. We're going to click on sstick.io, the first link, paste your TikTok link over here, click on download and click on without watermark over here. And here is this TikTok. And as you can see, if I play it, there's no TikTok watermark on this video, which is important because if the YouTube algorithm detects that this is a repost from TikTok, the odds of you going viral is not that high. So it's super important that you remove that TikTok watermark. Thirdly, we're going to come over to Canva.com, where not only are we going to design our YouTube thumbnail, but we're also going to design our TikTok and our YouTube shorts that we're going to post on YouTube. So firstly, let's start off with the YouTube banner. Just type in YouTube over here and you want to click on YouTube channel art over here and it will open up in a new tab a design page where we can go and get free YouTube channel art at the click of a button. So firstly, we can go and search, for example, let's go and search gadget over here. Okay, let's just go see what there is. There's nothing for gadget, but you want to go and search for something in the gadget or technology niche. So let's go and look for tech. Over here, this is a good YouTube wallpaper that you can use for your channel. So you can just go, for example, Teddy's Tech Corner, for example, Jay's Tech Corner. And this is an awesome YouTube channel banner to have. You can click download over here, upload it to your channel like this. I mean, this person has literally put new smart utilities over a bunch of plants and rope, it looks like. So that's just like no effort into that, and that channel is still going viral. So it proves you don't need amazing channel art to go viral. Secondly, we need to go and create a new blank template. So we're just going to click on the new search bar over here, and we're going to go and search Instagram. You want to go look for Instagram story. The reason why we're going to look for Instagram story, because the Instagram story is the same resolution as a YouTube short, which is a portrait video that is less than 60 seconds long with the hashtag shorts in the title. So over here we have a blank template. All you want to do is go and upload the same TikTok that we've now downloaded. So I'm going to log in with my Canva account quickly and meet you on the other side. Click on uploads, upload media, click on device and upload the same TikTok that you've downloaded to your PC without that watermark. Click on this TikTok over here and add it to your YouTube Shorts page. You just want to extend this until this is full screen on this portrait page. You want to click on elements. You want to click on this screen or this like square over here. Just drag it to the bottom that it looks like this, that it covers a little bit of the bottom, and we want to go and make this white. And you want to type here, just by adding some text on the left, we want to go and click on add a subheading over here, and we want to just drag this down, and we want to type best PUBG mobile device in description, for example, and we want to put this over here in the center. Now, you just want to tell people that you have the best PUBG mobile device in the description. Now, what we're going to go and do is we're going to go over to the Amazon affiliates or the Amazon store, find a good Android gaming device that is at a good price, get the affiliate link for that and put that in the description of our YouTube video. So we're going to go click on download over here and we're going to download this as a suggested MP4 video, which Canva will automatically prepare for you. Once this TikTok is now prepared, ready for upload, we need to find a tool that will design our thumbnails, as thumbnails is a massively important metric on YouTube to get lots of clicks on your video. Your video won't go viral if people aren't interested in it or don't see why they should click on it. That's where we need to go and get an attractive thumbnail. So over here, I've got a tool for you guys called Thumbnail Blaster. Now, I've actually bought this tool. It's only $30 and I'm going to show you the kind of templates that you get. So over here, I've logged into the dashboard of Thumbnail Blaster. You'll see on the left, if I click on Thumbnail Blaster and click on Thumbnail Creator, I've got over 200 templates to go and import any high click-through rate thumbnails at the click of a button and download them for myself. On the right, click on Start with No Video, and over here, take a look at some of these templates. So since we're in the gadget niche, or reviewing how to fix PUBG lag, which has got to do with like phones and gadgets, we want to go and find something that's got to do with PUBG. And this is actually a PUBG template thumbnail on this tool. So if I scroll down, I remember seeing it earlier. Just give me 2 minutes, I'll find it right now. This was one of them over here, the gaming combat thumbnail. So over here you can see where it says change text here. You can put here, for example, double PUBG FPS and performance, and that will be an attractive thumbnail with the gaming character glowing over here. So this is a good example to use, but let's carry on looking. Perfect, over here it is, gaming PUBG. So for example, we can go and click on use this template over here, and this is going to be our thumbnail for our YouTube shorts. This will play a massive role in getting our YouTube shorts to go viral, which ultimately will get us YouTube views, hopefully monetized, and tons of clicks and sales on our Amazon affiliate link. Your thumbnail will open up in this editor over here. So for example, you can see there's PUBG over here, times 20 FPS. And what we can do is, we can go put here, PUBG hack with a question mark. Now what we can do is, we can go and save this as a JPEG image over here. And here you can see our thumbnail times 20 FPS PUBG hack. This is something that will get a lot of views and a lot of clicks on our thumbnail. So now all we need to do is we're going to come over to our YouTube channel we have created. We're going to click on upload video over here. We're going to click on select files and upload our new TikTok that we have downloaded. We want to change our title, for example, PUBG times 20 FPS hack on any device, hashtag shorts, not shorts, hashtag shorts, and we want to go click our thumbnail over here and upload our template thumbnail. And for a description, we can go and just type here, the best device to mobile game of we can put here 60 FPS on any game, and then all you want to do is put enter. We want to come over to Amazon over here, and we just want to put, for example, gaming phone and click on enter. And over here you can see, for example, is the Doge S96 Pro gaming phone, which is $389. So we can click on this and this will open up in a new tab. If you come to the bottom of Amazon over here and click on become an affiliate, all you can go and do is go and sign up over here on the Amazon affiliates program. You can grab your affiliate link for this tool. I'm just going to come over to bit.ly to shorten my affiliate link. Click on shorten your link over here and click on shorten. Copy this new shortened link. Come over to your channel over here and paste your affiliate link. So over here you can see is your new shortened URL to your gaming device that you will get 10% on every sale that you make on this gaming phone. And you do also want to type in over here credit at gadgets tech on TikTok, for example. So you do want to give them credit, as YouTube will favor this. If they can see that you are giving credit in your description, this will just increase your chances of getting monetized. But remember, most of our money is going to be made on the Amazon affiliates program. Just as a quick bonus for you guys, over here I've got another tool made by the same company as Thumbnail Blaster called Video Marketing Blaster, which is another tool that you can use to rank your YouTube videos. So if you want to go and rank #1 for the keyword PUBG hacks, all you need to go and do is enter that keyword into this tool, and it will rank you on the #1 page of Google and YouTube for the term PUBG hacks. As long as your title and description relates to the term that you're trying to rank for, you will rank. So make sure that your content, your title and description relates to the term that you put into this tool, so that you can go and rank on the top page. This tool is $27. I'm not going to sell you this as an affiliate. You can come over straight to Video Marketing Blaster over here. It's a once-off fee of $27. Amazing tool. I really recommend it if you want to build a successful content in YouTube business. And as I said in the beginning of this video, I'm going to announce the winner of the $20 giveaway. Well done to this person over here. You are the winner of the $20 giveaway. All you need to do is DM me on Instagram over here, and I will send your $20 over. But without further ado, guys, take care. Tomorrow's video is going to be a banger. I'm going to be doing a double giveaway like today's video. But without further ado, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.